loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be showing us how to do this. It's right around golden hour, so the lighting's really pretty, but I actually already filmed the intro, but since the sun got nice, I decided to film it through. So today we're going to be doing this look. It's really simple, very minimalistic. I just think that it's really pretty and it looks really good in the sun, obviously. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I think I'm gonna start filming on my phone now on, if that doesn't bother people, because it's just easier to edit on iMovie, and it's just like, I think life's hard, school's hard, so this just makes life easier for me, and why not make it easier if you can. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and continue to watch.
Hey loves, so I already primed and prepped and moisturized and all that good stuff, so I'm going to go in the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Soft Brown, and I'm taking an Anastasia eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Not going to go Instagram worthy, but I'm just going to make sure I fill in the sparseness and gaps that I do have in my eyebrows, just because and I'm going to do that to the other eyebrow. Honestly, my eyebrows are not sisters. They're definitely distant cousins who have never met each other. But that's why we use a spoolie to make sure that it works, So I'm taking the Estee Lauder concealer, and this is a very nice concealer. It's very skin-like finish. So I'm just taking in the bottom of my eyebrows, and I chose a color that's close to my foundation shade. It's just to mimic that it is our skin. We don't have like any skin makeup. Does that make sense? I think. And I'm just taking this only on the bottom because I want to keep the fluffiness of the top eyebrow. So I'm going in with that YSL All in Glow moisturizer. I really like this. It's very nice and glowy and dewy and does have some coverage, and it looks like skin, that's what it claims, like it looks like skin. It's just $48, and there's only 6 shade ranges, and it sucks because it's 2018, and how can you be such a good company and big company and only have 6 colors? Like, that's crazy. But it's a really nice foundation. And I'm going back with the Estee Lauder concealer, and this is not to highlight or anything like that. It's just to give us a clean canvas and make everything one shade. So yeah, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're not baking, we're just setting everything in, making sure nothing leaves our face running or creasing. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the MAC 139 brush. I don't know if that's the right brush, but I think that's what it is. And I'm using the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the medium deep, and I'm just going in on our cheekbones and our forehead just to make everything look smaller and tanned and kissed by the sun. Yeah, I need to get more bronzers because I only have one, which is sad because I love makeup. But I'm going in with a Versale putty thing, and honestly, I don't think I know how to use it. It's old, or I don't know, because it was like taking the little foundation I had on my cheek, high up her cheeks, and like caking it in a sense. Like, it was like chunky at sometimes that I really had to blend it through. And I'm just taking it everywhere. So I'm gonna take Champagne Pop, which is really beautiful, but I've dropped it so many times so it's like crushed. And I'm just taking it on a fan brush and putting on the high points of my face and on my upper lip and a little bit on my forehead. And then I go in with my crusty, dusty fingers and I put it on my nose, because you always need to highlight the nose. Maybe not always with a brush, but your fingers will work. Okay, so I'm going to take the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm taking the color Eden, and I'm putting it on my crease with a Morphe brush, and it's really nice. It's supposed to be natural, but I kind of went crazy with the copper in our eyes. So I'm taking both eyes, and now I'm taking the Urban Decay copper shade. I honestly don't know the shade, but it's so beautiful, and I don't know if they still sell this shade, because it was like a hand-me-down product, and it doesn't even have its name anymore. Just check if they still sell it. But yeah, any copper shade will do. And then I'm going to the Huda Beauty palette, and there's like a copper reddish shade in that palette. I don't know the name of it, sorry guys, but I just put that on the outer edge to create some smokiness, glowiness in our eyes. Oh yeah, I'm checking myself out, of course I am. Okay, I'm taking some oh my god, this sounded so gross. I'm taking some mascara and putting some on. I'm not going crazy because, again, very natural, very glowy, what we want to look. And so that's the look. I'm sorry I talked a little fast, but yeah.
Okay, this is my outro. So thanks for watching this video, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, love it, like it, follow me on social media, and watch the rest of my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and this makeup look, and maybe you learned from it, or just wanted to watch me do my makeup, or I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys, and bye.